Hello everyone. Today we will give you the part 1 of Microsoft Office Word teaching. First, we talk about Microsoft Office, which was a collection of Office related applications. The important application was Word, which we will give a course about it, PowerPoint, Excel, OneDrive, OneNote, Outlook, Access. Now we will focus about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word was, is a text processing application which allowed the user to create simple document and complex document. Simple document may contain only plain text or complex document which uh, contain uh, pictures, reports, tables, and other items. The advanced feature of the Microsoft Word allow the user to format and edit their file and document in the best way. What is the uses of the Microsoft Word? There is many fields where Microsoft Word used in education and workplaces to creating resume, CV for the authors to writing their books, for research student, for upper graduate student to write their essays. How we find Microsoft Word on the personal computer? We will go to Start. This version of Windows 10 don't have all the program. I just scroll down and open uh, Microsoft Office 2013, which I installed here. Click this, it will appear the item of the Microsoft Office until I reach the Word 2013 and click it. It will open a new Word document. Or you can go to desktop, right click, new, click Microsoft Word document. It will appear a new Word document. Now we will return. If we open the Microsoft Word document, we will see the screen of the Word document contain title bar, menu bar, which contain many bars, which they call it ribbon, and each one, if we click it, contain many buttons. The upper called upper ribbon and the lower called lower ribbon. The ruler, the state bar. State bar was at the end. This give the page, how many words, the used language, which is now English language. This picture, this figure explain the quick access bar, which is the upper, which contain the word icon for restore, move, size, minimize, the save icon, the undo and redo icon, and all this is the document area. As you see, this is the title bar upper there, the menu bar, this one. Now What is the ribbon? The ribbon is the command bar which contain all the documents. The ribbon in Word document was home, insert this home. This is you see the upper ribbon and this is one. It is the lower ribbon. Insert, design, page layout, references, mailing, review, view. Now, if we go and click the home icon, home tab, we will see the home tab organized as the clipboard, the font here in the font, you can control the font type, the font size, and other things. Here, control the paragraph, the align of the text, left, center, right, putting bullets, putting number for list. If we click insert tab is used to, to insert or adding anything you wanted, which is adding table, sh- table, shape, you can add it, image, chart, graph, header, footer, page number. The design tab provide the design tab provide template or you can design your Word document for the format theme, background, the color scheme, the page border. Now, the page layout tab control the margins, orientation. If you want to put columns in the text, configure your text as a column, the spacing and indent of the paragraph text, and arrangement. If we go to the references tab enable user to enter the source of the document, here manage source, the citation, create a table of content, this one. The mailing tab enabling enables user to manage mail, writing mail, insert different field of the mail, email, which organized the email organized by address, start mail large, insert field, preview, merge, launch, and finish. Then the review after you complete your work with Microsoft Word or Microsoft Word document, you can do spell check, grammar, teachers, word count, language, translation, comments, all this tracked under the review tab. The last one is the view tab. The view tab enables user to switch between different view of the document, read mode, print layout, web layout. Here show the ruler, the grid line, the navigation band, doing zoom in, zoom out for showing view one page, multiple page widths, and others. That's all for the part one. Thank you for watching the video.